Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Planning a trip while sticking to a plant-based diet can seem daunting, but trust me, it's totally doable. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate guide on how to travel plant-based. First things first, research is key. Before you even book your tickets, hop online and look up plant-based options in your destination. Websites like Happy Cow and Veg Guide are lifesavers for finding vegan and vegetarian-friendly spots around the globe. You can even check out local vegan blogs and forums for insider tips. Now, on to packing. Always carry some plant-based snacks. Think nuts, dried fruits, protein bars, and even some instant meals. You never know when you might need a quick bite, especially in transit. Next up, accommodations. Look for places that cater to dietary preferences. Airbnb is great because you can often have access to a kitchen, allowing you to prepare your own meals. Some hotels even offer vegan options, just ask. Speaking of asking, learn a few key phrases in the local language. Phrases like, "I don't eat meat, is this vegan?" and "Does this contain dairy?" can go a long way in helping you communicate your needs. Don't forget about local markets. They're an excellent source of fresh produce and plant-based staples. Plus, you get to experience the local culture in a truly immersive way. Apps can be your best friends too. Download apps like Google Translate for language barriers and Vegan Passport to help communicate your dietary needs. When dining out, don't be afraid to customize your order. Most restaurants are happy to accommodate vegans if you explain your needs politely. And remember, many traditional dishes in various cuisines are naturally plant-based or can be easily modified. Lastly, have an open mind and be flexible. You might discover new foods and flavors you never expected. Traveling plant-based is an adventure in itself, and it's all about enjoying the journey. So there you have it, your ultimate guide on how to travel plant-based. Hope you found these tips helpful. Safe travels and happy munching. Catch you in the next video.